Hello everyone, this is Kingsley once again from Bless Channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how, showing you how to fix domain not available or not displaying your domain on your Freedom account when you are trying to purchase a new domain or trying to get a new domain. So I'm going to be showing you how to remove that particular error. You can see from the display you're actually seeing here, you can see this is how the error usually shows up when you're trying to buy or to add a new domain. You can see it always brings up this error. So I'm going to be showing you how to remove this particular error. Without further ado, let's go straight into the tutorial. Hello everyone, this is Kingsley from Bless Channel. In case you're just joining me for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to always click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you be the first to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So now I'm going to go into my website and to the Freedom website. I'm going to, you can see this is the address I'm actually adding. So you can click on that address, and I'm actually using a Google Chrome. So it should bring, and you click on that address, should bring you here. In case you don't come to this particular page, just click on this particular section and come to register new domain. So now let's try and add in any domain here. So let me say I'm adding my music plus. Now if you notice, there's something I want to show you. If you should click on search, check availability, so you can see now, you can see I have .tk for free, I have this for free. But now if I should click on add, you can see it's not available, it is not available, it is not available, not available, not available. So how do I fix this particular error? So first thing I'm going to do, let me copy this. I'm going to copy this. So I want to still use this particular address. You should take note this. You see, look at the extensions that that was actually available at first. You can see these were actually available, but when I click to add them to actually proceed to get them, it was showing me not available. So now, what? How do I fix that? No, first thing you're going to do is to come to where you have this your lock icon. You can see, just come to this particular site and click on this and come to site settings. You are going to come to the site settings, and on when you come to site settings, you're going to see pop-up. So what you're going to do is to first of all allow pop-up on your site. You're going to allow this pop-up on your site. So that's the first thing you're going to do. I'm going to leave it like this and show you. I'm going to come back, show you something. I'm going to come to, okay, this is the where I was. Remember, it's showing me and to reload, but I'm going to ignore this. Let me do something now. I'm going to click on this and add this, and then I'm going to now add .tk .tk to my address. You can see I'm having this was actually available at first. So to actually make this proceed with this purchase, so that it will make to be, I'm going to click ensure you enter the extension .tk or any one of them. If you need .ml, you just enter .ml, but I'm going to be making use. Okay, let me just assume I want to buy this .tk. So I'm going to enter my domain name and then enter the extension .tk and click on check availability. Can see by the time I check this availability now, you're going to see that it is actually available. So now once I can now click on checkout. Once I click on checkout, you're going to see it's going to bring me to this particular page with my domain that is available. In case you don't, if pop-up wasn't turned on, you might not be able, in some most cases you might not be able to see this particular page. So for you to actually be able to see your domain on this shown on this page, you have to enter the domain. You have to ensure you turn on your every pop-up on this particular website. You have to turn on pop-up on this website so that this is be available. But in some cases it might bring you straight to this particular site. Then this is where you're going to enter your, you can change your domain from here directly. You have the domain names, your DNS. You can actually change your DNS from here. You can use your custom domain DNS, or you can, I'm going to just leave it as default. So you can from here you can now click on this and click on this address. Let me say for example, click on you can I'll now choose my 12 months and click on continue. In some cases, if once you enter this and sometimes if you when you click on it, it doesn't respond. What you're going to just do is to refresh the page. This particular, I'm going to come here and click on refresh. Once you click on refresh, it's going to load. You can see it loads up with my 12 months, and I'm going to click on OK, continue. It's going to bring me to this particular section. So now, one thing is you are going to note now, it's going to tell you it's you to either once you enter an address here, it's going to take you to the address. It's going to you can enter the email address you want to make use of here. You can enter the email address and it's going to click. That's when you don't have an account. You can enter your email address here and click on verify email to proceed with the whole registration process. But if you already have an account with them like I did. So you can now click on sign in. You can click on sign in or you can click on login. Already registered, you can click on login. So now you can now click on login and log into the account, my account. Can now log into my account. You can see log into my account. Once I click on login, client area, you can see my domains. This was the only domain I have there. So now I'm going to now go back and see register a new domain. Let's see. Already I am logged into this particular account. I'm now going to register the new domain I want to use. Let me let me say okay, let me make now register a new domain. My music plus .tk. Don't forget that .tk. That's the one I actually wanted to register. So click on it. It's actually available. Click on checkout. So I'm going to now, you can see pre. I can now select 12 months. I need it for 12 months and click on continue. So once I click on continue, I actually have, since I was logged in, you can see I'm still logged in. So I've read then accept order. So once you do that, it's going to add to your domains. So let's just, it might take maybe some seconds, like 30 seconds or so. So you just have to just wait. You can see it's done. This is my tracking. If I go back to my client ID, you can see welcome blessed. Now, when I go to my domains, you can see when I go to my domains, you're going to see I now have two domains there. But if you were it, probably you were not logged in, you can just enter the email address from there and it's going to send a notification to that email where you're going to continue with this particular registration. But in case you want to actually have a full, I actually should have another video where I actually showed how to do this using a new email. So you can just check in the video at the top here. If you are going to see there will be it will link take you to that particular video where I should. In case you don't have an account with them and going to show you the process where you can just go ahead and see how to register. That particular video will guide you, or I'll be dropping the link in the description box below. So any of the two you can check up there or you check in the description box below. So this is where I'm going to stop for this particular tutorial. I believe this might have actually helped you out to solve your problem. In case you have any other issue, you can drop in the comments box below. I'll try my best to see how to answer. Until next time, bye for now.